Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I am Harshita Alveli. Today we have Tanish with us, who is from Nagpur, Maharashtra, and he got placed in Hexaware Technologies recently. So he is here to share his experience with us. So let's talk to him and get to know the entire interview process in detail. So hi Tanish,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so firstly I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Hexaware
Thank
Technologies.
you.
We are really happy for you, Tanish.
Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, let's talk about the interview experience. But before that, could you tell more about yourself, Tanish?
So, hi all. I am Tanish and I am from Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, from Maharashtra. And I recently got placed in Hexaware Technologies, and my role is software engineer training. And I got placed for 4 LPA package, as well as there is one more increment in package also. For 6 LPA. If we give the highest performance in 4 LPA, then we get a chance to upgrade ourselves to go to 6 LPA. So for that, there is a separate assessment and entire process is different. There is one coding test for that, and also the technical interview and HR interview will happen. After that, we can upgrade ourselves to 6 LPA also. So right now I am placed as 4 LPA.
Okay, that's great. That's really nice to know, Tanish. So yeah, let's talk about the interview experience. Now, first tell me, was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview,
Was
Tanish?
off campus.
On campus. So Hexaware Technologies visited your college.
Yes.
Okay, when did you get to know that they are coming for hiring?
In the month of September end.
September 2022.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, when was the first round and what was it?
So initially, the first round started in first week of October. The first round was the basic, as most of the companies take. It is aptitude test, which included 3 sections. One was aptitude section, second was verbal section, and third was reasoning. The
Okay.
total duration of the test was 90 minutes and 90 questions for 90 minutes. Each section consists of 30 questions, and there was a section-wise timer, and each section consists of 30 minutes. So 30
Okay.
questions for 30 minutes. In this way, there was 3 sections.
So what was the level of questions? How were they?
So aptitude questions were up to medium level, and also there was a verbal. So verbal section was quite up of medium. Like there, it was not really hard, but it was one scale up of medium. So it was between medium and hard.
Okay.
And reasoning was a little bit challenging, but I managed to solve that.
Okay. Nice. So basically it was of medium level.
Yeah.
Which could be answered in the given
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, when did you get to know the results of this round?
After 2 days of my test.
Okay. After just a couple of days, you got to know the results that you are shortlisted for the next round. And when was the next round conducted?
It was when the result was declared after 2 to 3 days after the second round was conducted.
Okay.
The second round consisted of technical assessment. So in technical assessment, there was technical questions based on computer science fundamentals, as well as there were pseudocodes also to solve. It was 45 minutes test in which it consists of 30 questions. It was 15 questions of computer fundamentals and 15 questions of pseudocode.
Okay, so how was it? You were able to answer all the questions?
Yes, pseudocode was some 2 to 3 questions were a little bit challenging, but I managed to solve that. And computer fundamentals was like of medium level, and some was very easy.
Very easy. So basically, this level was quite simple for you. You could do it easily.
Sure, yes.
Okay, great. And then when was the results announced?
Next day of the after.
Okay, this was quite a quick process, no?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Do you remember like how many students started with the first round and how many got shortlisted for the next round?
This was for only 3 branches. Computer science, electrical, and electronics and telecommunication. So from my college, I guess 150 students were seated for the first round, that is aptitude round.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, 55 students were shortlisted for the technical round. Means
Okay.
technical assessment round.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, I guess 30 students uh, were moved forward for the technical round.
Okay.
So the third round was technical round.
Technical interview,
Yeah,
face to face.
interview round. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So the firstly in technical interview, the interviewer asked me about my introduction. So I give my introduction, and then he asked me about some computer fundamentals, like what is computer networks, how computer network helps in this era. Also, he asked me about some SQL questions like queries of SQL, like what is the highest salary of an employee. He has given me one table, and he told that calculate the highest salary of that employee. Also, little bit of he has a little bit upscale my the SQL query. So he asked me about how to calculate the second highest salary of that employer. So
Okay.
most of the students got get stuck in the second highest salary, but I tried to manage and give the answer of that.
Okay.
Also, he asked about me the third highest salary of that employer, and
Mm-hmm.
then nth highest salary. How will you
Yeah.
calculate? So I managed to give that, and then he little bit moved to some programming concepts. So he asked me about what is object-oriented programming, and what are the four pillars of object-oriented programming. And then he asked me about some polymorphism and its types, as well as he gave me one code to solve it, that was Armstrong number code. So he first asked me to tell the logic. So I told the logic of that, and after that he told me that to code uh, on the compiler. So I coded on the online compiler, and
Okay.
I gave the output and I showed the output. So after that, he gave me some test cases. So I guess 5 to 6 test cases was given to me. First two test cases was very simple, but after that, uh, third, fourth, fifth, sixth were little bit challenging. But my code worked and gave the correct output for the Armstrong number. That was the code I was written.
Okay.
Yeah. And then he asked me about where are you from, and a little bit
Mm-hmm.
about myself, and he gave his introduction after that. And also he asked me about some advanced data structure, like what is linked list, uh, what is trees, graphs, and how you will implement that. And there was one graph question, that n chessboard. So that was also given, but he just asked me the logic how to solve that. It will be solved by using a dynamic programming. So this is how my technical interview has gone.
Okay. So was this the final round, or you had one more round?
No, no, there was one more round, that is HR round.
HR round after this. So how many got qualified in this round?
Uh, all means 30, out of 30, 15 got passed out from the technical round.
Okay. So
Yeah,
50% were out.
yes.
Okay. So when was the final round conducted? Do you remember the date?
Yes, the final round was conducted on 28th of October.
Okay. 28th of October.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, please tell us about the final round.
The final round was, we are assuming that the HR round, this is what it is a very simple round. Most of us think that, but actually the Hexaware, out of 30 people, out of 15 people they take from the HR technical interview, they only selected 7 people.
Okay. Here also they filtered out
Yeah,
50% of the people.
yes, 7 people were filtered out, and the
Okay.
final selected was only 7 people.
7. Okay.
Yeah, and the in HR round, the HR asked me about the basic introduction. Will you be able to relocate? There was some situations given, and
Mm-hmm.
I have to answer that. Likewise, if you are a project lead and you are your colleague or your your teammate is not working properly. So how will you handle that? As well as there were 5 to 6 situations, and based on that, they shortlisted the candidates
Okay.
to the final selected candidates.
So finally, only 7 got placed out of 150 students.
Yes,
And you are one among them. That's
yes,
really nice,
yes.
Tanish. Okay. So this was the entire interview
Yeah,
experience. Okay. Did you get the call letter or not? Offer
yes.
letter?
No,
Letter after
I have got the letter of intent.
intent. When did you get? Within few days?
Yeah, two days after the final selected list.
Oh, that's great. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, since you got placed successfully, would you like to give any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Tanish, which might help them also get placed?
Yes, surely. I have taken the course of Quant Masters, so it really helped me uh, to gain my skills from a particular level to a higher level. So it first of all, I trained myself on my aptitude skills. It include both aptitude as well as verbal as well as reasoning. As then there was technical sessions. It was quite amazing, the actual pseudocodes that I got in Hexaware exam, that really helped me to solve by using Quantmasters pseudocode. The technical sessions were quite amazing. I can say that the pseudocodes that were taken in technical sessions of Quantmasters, 2 to 3 were directly available in the Hexaware pseudocode section. So same
Okay.
questions were available from Quantmaster in the Hexaware pseudocode section. That helped me a lot, as well as the technique. There were many interview experiences on the Quantmasters website as well as the app. It gained me how to give the interview, as well as how to perform well in the interview, and how to give the answers of certain questions in a way that the recruiter gets satisfied with you. And also the HR questions, like I said that 50% students were discarded from the HR interview. So they were judging you on how you answer in HR interview. So
Okay.
so there were questions of HR interview also that helped me a lot in my interview also. So overall experience of Quant Masters really helped me to crack my exam job.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tanish. We are really happy that we could help you. You also got placed successfully.
Yes,
That's really an amazing thing.
thank you.
And also, thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us. So many students out there are trying really hard to
Yes,
get placed. So your experience will be really helpful for them. Thanks for being here.
thank you.
All the very best and congratulations once again,
Thank
Tanish.
you. Thank you.